Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off Instagram autoplay video. So in order to do that, let's just open the Instagram application right here, and then at the bottom right corner hit the profile icon, and then at the top right corner just hit the icon with the three lines and then go to settings and privacy. So as you can see right here, there are a bunch of options that we can choose from, but the one that we need for this tutorial is data usage and media quality. So if you hit this option, as you can see, there are two options that can be toggled off or on. So as you can see right here, there is this option which says use less data and data saver. So you'll have to make sure that this data saver option is toggled on right here, and of course you can just go forward and where it says high resolution media, you can just select the Wi-Fi only option. So that means that when the data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. So if you have this option toggled on, the autoplay video will be basically off. So this is all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.